Okay, so we'll create we have connected to Firebase database. So now we will work on the UI to so that we can upload a book. So for that, first select give ID to this button, Android ID, let it be named as upload, and come to this Java class and initial access this that button using this. Let that button name is upload. Let that button name be upload. So button, find that button using id and the name of that button we keep as upload. Okay, so we will set on click listen on that button. Okay, on click set on click listen. Here it is coming, not coming. Why it is not coming? It was on click listener. No, like this we set here, set on click listener, view on click listener. It's not coming like that. I don't know why it is not coming. We'll write again. Okay, so upload set on click listener, new on click okay, on click listener, so that when we click on the upload button we will be directed to a new page where we can write the name of the book and we can upload it to the database. So for that we have to write an intent for that. That name be I, new intent, and we have to give context. Context is this Java class admin dot this. Okay, and we will direct it to new page, upload book. Let that page name be as upload book dot class. Sorry. Okay, so this class is not created, that why it's showing red. So we will create this class by pressing alt plus enter. So okay, so the niche now class has been created. And one more thing, after creating new page or activity, we have to add it in manifest, like I told you last time. Like we created admin page, user page, same thing for the upload book, upload book. Okay, upload page, and let the name of that page be upload page. Okay, so should make this class as public and then extend it using app compact activity, because you will be assigning activity with this class. So on create, when this activity is created we will set content view as R. So we will set layout of this class using set content view, and let that layout name be as upload page. Okay, create that XML file. Okay, so this XML file is created. Now to create the UI we'll change this as a linear layout. Okay, we will write one text view, wrap content, and the text will be so we will tell the admin to please enter the name of the book. Okay. We will give some margin. If you got stuck anywhere in your code, please check my code on the GitHub. I have posted that code on GitHub. Okay, so please check whenever you get somewhere stuck. Okay, so after that next the admin will take input of the text. So we will put width as a match parent. Okay, and height as a wrap content. It is showing orientation is horizontal, so we'll make it vertical. Okay, and we will add some margin to it. Okay, so now with this page the admin will be able to insert the name of the book.